Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to share with you the review of MI outdoor Bluetooth speaker. So I bought this speaker from Flipkart at Big Billion Day sale. So the actual price was around 2000, but I bought it for 1000 rupees only. Okay, so it was a great deal, I would say, because as per the feature company claims, actually is it's IPX5 splash proof speaker, so you can use it in slight drizzling or rain, and it's a little water resistant, so you shouldn't worry about that. And then secondly, it comes with a great battery life. So company claims it comes with 20 hours playback time, but I think I've already opened the box and used it a couple of days, and so what I can feel, so at least it will give you a 14 to 15 hours battery backup. Okay, so which is great, I would say. I mean, if you're going out somewhere for some trek or where power supply isn't available, so if you just get it charged fully, then at least you shouldn't worry about one day. Yeah, so let's unbox it. So this comes with this packaging. This is a box. As I said, I've already opened it. But yeah, here all the specifications are mentioned. Okay, let's open it now. So once you open the box, now here is the speaker. It comes in a plastic, but obviously I've unwrapped it before. Now this is some paperwork, some manuals, user manual, and it comes with this charging cable. The cable quality is good, although it is not a type C cable, it's a normal USB cable. I wish they would provide at least type C cable, so that you don't have to like carry another cable. But yeah, you have to carry this cable if your phone is a type C one. But anyways, let's keep this box aside and coming to the speaker. So at first glance, I mean, no one can tell it's a 1000 rupees speaker. It looks really decent, pretty elegant, I would say, and it comes only in gray color. So that's the thing. But yeah, it looks quite sleek and premium, and it has a braided cable, so to hang somewhere, and it's very small. I mean, it's quite handy. It's a 5-watt speaker, but as I've tested its sound, I can vouch for its sound quality. It's pretty loud and clear, and bass is quite good as per the size. So yep, that's one thing. And now coming to the physical overview, let's jump to this. So here, as you can see, like, this is a power on off button. This is the LED indicator, so while it is charging or when the device is on, it will show this indicating light. And this one is the play or pause button. Now this will also act as a call receive or call end button if you press it for 2 seconds or 3 seconds, maybe. Yeah, 2 seconds, I guess. So when your device is connected with your phone, the speaker is connected with your phone, and if incoming call comes, then you can directly talk with the speaker. Okay, so it has a mic as well. So, and here it is the power, like, plus button, volume up button. This is the mic, and this is the negative button, power down button. Now you can also use this power down and power up button as a forward track playing and backward track playing button as well. Okay, so I think you have to press for 2 seconds and it will play the forward next track, and you have to press it for 2 seconds to play the previous track. Yeah, and here this is the housing for charging port, and this 3.5 mm jack. Okay, so you can plug and play with aux cable as well in your car. So this housing, it's a good touch, because as the company is claiming, it's a water resistant speaker, outdoor speaker. So obviously, yeah, this one is a good touch. As you can see, here is the this is the charging point, and this is the aux cable of 3.5 mm jack. Okay, so yeah, it is not a type C. As you can see, it's a normal USB type. Okay, now we can power it on. Yeah, so you have to press this button for 2 seconds and the speaker will power on, and it will say that it is powered on. So yeah.
Power on. Bearing. Connected.
So yeah, as you can see, so my Bluetooth device is on in my phone. So what I did, I just like switched it on, and then it directly connected and paired and connected to my mobile phone. Okay, now it is giving a blue indicating light that okay, this is what you can say, this is on, power on. Now what we can do, I will play some music and maybe you can get to know that how loud this is. Okay, so let's check the sound quality of the speaker. Let me play some track. So it's a very low sound. Now I am increasing the volume. So I'm not sure how much this speaker sounded to you, but it is pretty loud and it's very clear, and the bass is quite good compared to the size of the speaker. So yeah, so I think I'm quite satisfied the speaker performance and its battery life, especially the price that I gave. It's just 1,000 rupees, and it's really very portable. It easily fits in your backpack, and no worries, just yeah, you can use it whenever you're traveling somewhere. And if you, in your house party, if like 5 to 6 people gathering, you can easily play it and enjoy the music. So I hope this video provided you the information about the speaker, and please feel free to ask any question in the comment section if you want to know. So I will try my best to answer those questions. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Stay happy. Bye.